Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Toke. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to attach a bra cup inside a bustier. It's actually another method I found which is very simple and easier. I know some people use thread and needle to tack it, but I think I prefer this method. I found it very easy. So all we need is hemming gum, your pin, and just iron to iron it. So let's get to it. Okay, so as I said earlier, we're going to be putting the hemming gum on top of the bra cup. We're going to lay it on top of each other. So watch closely. Why putting it? As you can see, I put the pin on the inside of the bra cup. This is so that when I'm removing the pin, I don't find it difficult to remove, because if you put it on the outside, it's going to be difficult when trying to remove it from the material. So make sure it's inside of the bra cup. Please, if you know you are enjoying this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you. So now that we're done, I'm going to show you guys how to attach it into your bustier. It's the same method when tacking it, but this time around we're going to have to iron it inside of it. So you can use a pin to hold it down at your underbust so that it doesn't shift. So you can use a pin to just hold it down properly. So right now I'm about to iron it. I'm going to give it a fine ironing and you see the outcome of it. So you can see how fine and neat it looks. can see how neat it looks. It looks very, very fine, and it's actually very, very easy. It doesn't take time at all. So I attached the second one as well. I don't want to bore you with the video of it since I did the first one, so I'll just show you guys the outcome of the both of them. So after ironing, I carefully removed the pin. As you can see, I removed it from the inside. If I had put it on the outside, it's going to be very difficult to remove. So this is the outcome of the installation of the brackle. Look at how neat it looks. This is how it looks. It's very, very neat and easy. So